Hey guys, my name is Chazzy. How are you all doing today? I just thought that I wanted to sit down and film a quick video. So last year I basically worked in a startup for only 3 weeks before it went bust, and when the startup went bust, one of the things I asked to keep was my Macbook Pro, which the business had provided for me. So this was the MacBook that I got, which has my government name in it somewhere here, and basically I've had it for all this time and I'm ready to basically do a factory reset on it. So I have never ever factory reset a computer before, so I just thought that I was going to film myself doing this just to show you guys that anybody can basically help themselves become a bit more technologically kind of educated with a little help from YouTube. So one of the things I've learned by working in technical environments is nobody knows everything that they're doing. So a lot of people rely on good old YouTube and good old Google and GitHub and a whole bunch of other places just to find the information that they need to execute the task that they're looking to execute. So I am just going to bring it here, and I think I am going to find a tutorial that I'm going to pick to help me with this undertaking. And when I look at all these things, I'm going to try and pick the one that's the most recent, because I feel as if it's, I don't know, I feel like it's the way to go. Okay, so the most important thing when you're looking to factory set your computer of any sort is to basically back up all of the information on there. As this is a work machine, I pretty much don't have anything on there and everything's being disabled. So I tried opening the file that I created and basically I just can't open it. So this is just an empty vessel for now, so we're gonna crack on. Okay, so the first stage is just to basically see which operating system you're on. So I'm currently on Big Sur, so what I'm going to have to do is just basically go to software update, because I'm going to update it to the latest version, which is Monterey. So now it's giving me Mac Monterey. I'm just going to go ahead and upgrade now. Wow. 50 minutes remaining. I'm just going to go ahead and upgrade to the iOS, and my computer is ready to restart. You're going to have to be very patient and just wait for all the updates to take place, but after about an hour or so you will be good to get to the next stage. Next up, you'll need to click on the Apple icon and go into your system preferences. When you're in system preferences, click under system preferences once again, and you'll see the option that says erase all content and settings. So in the next few settings, you'll need to make sure that you are basically deleting your Apple user ID and everything else, just so you're starting off afresh. You'll have to do a bit more waiting whilst your computer updates itself, but you will eventually get the hello sign, which means you're good to go. So complete the rest of your settings, i.e. choosing your country, language, so on and so forth, and you have a brand new MacBook. So guys, that's it. That was super simple. It took a bit longer than I thought it would because I had to obviously upgrade my iOS onto Monterey, but it's all done and I am glad that I've got a fully working MacBook and I can now start using my Pro instead of my little baby MacBook that served me incredibly well. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was very quick, it was very much to the point, and I am enjoying becoming a bit more of a tech head. So for any ladies or anyone out there who wants to kind of like just roll your sleeves up and get used to doing ish on your own, if I can do it, you certainly can as well. Anyway guys, I will see you soon. Till next time, I love you loads. Mwah.